Alright guys, so in this video we're going to talk about how to change the scale of an object. Basically just change how big something is. Just as a reminder and a refresher, all of these properties, position, rotation, and scale, are properties that we can edit and change inside of Unity. With that being said, let's get into how to change the scale. The great thing about changing the scale of an object is it's actually very similar to changing the position of an object, and also changing the rotation if we're using the Euler angles at the same time. So let's talk about how to change the scale of an object. Again, same basic concept when we change the scale. First thing we need to do, no matter what, we need to figure out what component has the scale property in it. In this case, we know what it's a transform component, so we're going to get that component, and we're going to tell Unity, hey, we want to access this transform component. We want to access it. From there, we're going to change the local scale of the object. So instead of doing scale, we're going to do local scale. But after that, it's the same thing as position, where we set it to be a new vector 3, and whatever that value we want it to be is what it'll be. So let's take a look at how this works inside of Unity. Alright, I got my Mega Man character right here, right? And here's what I want to do to it. First, I'm going to change the order on layers, so it's a little bit, front. And then I'm going to say, alright, boom, Mega Man's right here. Here, what do I want to do? I want to make him a little bit smaller, because right now he's pretty big. He's bigger than my player right here. Why is Mega Man so big? No, we're gonna decrease his size, make him humble him a little bit. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna right click, create, make a new script. We'll call this script changing scale, like so. From there, I'm gonna click on Mega Man. I'm gonna just attach this script right here, and go inside of it. So, double click here. We'll turn on my overlay so you guys can see exactly what I'm typing as I'm typing it. And we're going to start here. Alright, like I said before, if I want to change the scale, I need to first figure out the component it's attached to. In this case, we know we're going to get the component. We're going to get the transform component. So get the transform. Boom. Alright, bet. We're good. From here, after I get the transform component, I'm going to go inside of it by pressing dot, and I'm going to change the local scale of the object. And again, set that to be a new vector 3. And I want to make them smaller, so I'll do 0.75 f for float, 0.75, and 0.75. That way, every single axis, the x, y, and z axis for this character, is now smaller. So with that being said, I'll save it, and when I run the program, Mega Man should go from current size to be a little bit smaller. So let's make sure everything's good. I see the script is here, and right now Mega Man at a scale of 1. When I run the program, he should get to 0.75. Let's see if he does. Hey, boom, he got smaller. So now he's at 0.75 across all 3 axes, and that is it. Yeah, that's really it on how to change the scale of an object. There's not much more to go into here. I'll see you guys in the next video for accessing the individual properties of one of these objects. But otherwise, we're pretty good here. See you in the next video, and yeah, that's it.